Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Kidde plugin carbon monoxide alarm. And if it's beeping or showing you LB on the screen, that means it's the low battery. So you just need to replace the 9-watt battery for this one. So what you do is you remove the unit, place it facing down. So at the back, you will see this is the battery compartment. So you just remove this. So this comes off and you will be able to see the battery. So you just remove the battery and replace it with a new 9-watt battery. Make sure to follow the positive and negative side of the slot. So I'll just change the battery. So once the battery is changed, put back the battery in the slot and then close the cap for the battery compartment. Just make sure that you latch it up so this thing is engaged, otherwise it will be falling off. Then turn the battery and then you have to press this test and reset button for 3 to 5 seconds. So once it beeps few times, that means the unit has been reset. And now your battery warning is reset, and then it won't give you the warning again. Then plug back the unit and leave it, and then just observe it for a few minutes, just in case if the battery was not properly plugged in or something like that, then it will be giving the warning again. Otherwise, it's all good to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you to fix your problem. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.